Short shot. What are you doing, dude? Are you going? Oh my god, what a fucking idiot. Wow. What a... Jesus, dude. There was no reason for us not to make that light. And now he creeps up even more. It's not going to help, dude. And he's still creeping up. Like, if you're in such a damn hurry, why don't you stay in your lane and go when everybody else went? No. No. And this is a long-ass light, too. He's going to wait a long time. And more creep. A little more. I mean, you might as well just run it at this point, dude. What's going on? We could have made it when the light turned green in the first place. Is he just gonna go? Wow, I really have nothing. Right turn from the left lane. That makes a lot of sense.